Hello, good evening, everybody, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to our show. So nice to see you all again. Good evening, Lynn, Sophia, and Jake. Hi, thanks for joining. Nice to see you all. How are you all this evening? Mm-hmm. Okay. Mm. So today will be a very exciting day. Quite. It will be the non-fund payroll night tonight, which will be about 20 minutes time. Okay. Mm. Okay, before we begin, we'll just wait for a while. Okay. Okay, let's start. Just to introduce myself, I'm Christopher. Welcome to XAU Merlion live stream show, where we discuss about what's going on in the markets this week, and hope our analysis will help you on your trading decisions. Okay, before we begin, just a quick introduction to our live stream. Okay, XAU Merlion is a forex broker licensed and regulated in Cambodia. We provide a trading platform for anyone who wants to trade forex or CFDs anytime, anywhere. We offer competitive spreads, quick execution, and 24/7 support. If you wish to start trading with us, do drop us a message on our Facebook page, and our representatives will attend to you in the shortest time possible. Okay, let's continue on with the show. Okay. Tonight is our 23rd episode, and tonight we'll be discussing about what has happened this week in the market. Tonight will be the NFP announcement, okay? And both we will have Jeffrey C. and Coach Seng Hood, who will be sharing their views and analysis for this week, okay? So before I begin, to invite both of them on the show, I would like all of you who are watching us now, please like and share our video so that we can reach out to more people who will benefit from watching this. Okay. Okay. So without further ado, I'll invite both to the show now. Okay. Okay. Good evening, guys.
Good evening.
How are you this week? Mm-hmm.
I'm fine.
Okay. Hope both of you have a good week. So let's start with Jeffrey first. Maybe he can share with us on what his views on the market. Okay, Jeffrey, please start. Mm.
Okay, let's get started. Hi everyone. Hi Senggood, how are you? Haven't seen you in a while.
Yeah, hope to see you end of this month, brother.
Same. COVID is a lot better now. I hope it gets better as well over the next 1 year. Let's start. This week, we have the Canadian GDP data, which is in line with expectation. US core PCE price index, which is also in line with expectation. And of course, shortly after, we have the non-farm payroll and the ISM manufacturing PMI, which is going to affect dollar and of course gold price. This evening will be a great one for traders looking to make some money. When there's volatility, there's always opportunity. Today we'll be talking about gold and of course euro dollar. Let's get started with euro dollar first. Let me just share my screen for euro dollar. We can see that euro dollar stays under the bearish pressure and continues to trade near the mid 1.10 level today. Euro dollar has lost more than 100 pip on Thursday, which was yesterday. Stays on the back foot around 1.105 today. So investors is now awaiting the US non-farm payroll report shortly at 8:30. A clear break of 1.114 could lead to the euro strengthening to 1.119. As euro rise and if euro breaks 1.119, the chance for further euro strength to 1.124 is definitely there. We shall see. Euro appears to have moved into a consolidation phase and is more likely to trade between 1.099 and 1.1174 now, which is today before the non-farm. We shall see how it goes after that. We can see euro dollar has pivoted around the 1.1 area since early March. Concrete signs of peace between Russia and Ukraine can likely lift euro dollar range to 1.1 to 1.12. We maintain that the value of euro dollar is set to remain below this year and that it would have been without the conflict and energy uncertainties. So we retain a 1-month forecast of 1.08 to reflect the risk to the Eurozone economy. That being said, if the market remains confident that Eurozone can avoid recession, it is highly likely that Euro can hold 1.09 to 1.11 range in the coming months. So we project euro dollar to be sideways in coming April. We shall see how it goes for now, and a lot depends on Russian-Ukraine war. Moving on to gold price, let's see. You can see the first quarter saw gains by gold nearly 6%. The market rate hikes expectation, I believe, have already been picked up in recent weeks. Hence, we do not expect the labor market data today to have any major impact on gold price. Meaning to say, shortly after NFP, gold might be moving in sideways between 1,880 to 1,940, around that range. Market also awaits the Russian-Ukraine peace talk for some clarity on the ongoing saga. This has been dragged for weeks. Let's hope there's a conclusion soon. The bulls for gold need acceptance above the horizontal 21 daily moving average price at 1953 to extend this week's uptrend. Meanwhile, the 50 daily moving average at 1898 is actually a powerful support if the bears can control the fight against the bulls. On the upside, the previous year high at 1960 will be the level for the bulls. And alternatively, the February low of 1878 could come to the rescue for gold buyers. We shall wait for the NFP report shortly to see where will gold bring us. So for now, let me just pass on the mic to Senghood for his technical analysis on gold counter today, so he can share a bit more about how he profit from the market, especially during NFP reports.
Okay, brother. Yes. Bạn, សួស្តីបងប្អូនអរគ្នាខ្ញុំបានគួយសេងហួតបានអូខេបាទនៅសល់11នាទីទៀតនឹងចូលដល់ព័ត៌មានទាក់ទងនឹង non-farm បាទ បើសិនជាយើងក្រឡេកមើលមាសបច្ចុប្បន្នភាពមាសកំពុងតែឈរលើ trend line មួយពណ៌លឿងនេះគឺ trend line ដែលយើងអូសពីខាងលើមកខាងក្រោមមាសកំពុងតែឈរលើ trend line ហើយវាបានបង្ហាញទានមួយគឺទាន stir spinning top ដែលវាមានលក្ខណៈមានក្បាលដែលវាជាទានមួយមិនសូវល្អទេបាទមិនសូវល្អទេបាទ not good quality not so good but it touched the one trend line it is an important trend line also បាទយើងរងចាំមើលសួរថាយើងគួរតែចូល trade មុន nan farm ឬក៏ពេល nan farm ចេញហើយបានយើង trade បាទបងប្អូនអាច trade មុន nan farm បានយើងអាច buy ដាក់ SR នៅខាងក្រោមហើយរងចាំ zone ណាមួយដើម្បីធ្វើ buy ម្ដងទៀតឬក៏ buy ម្ដងទៀតប៉ុន្តែធ្វើចឹងវាហានិភ័យសម្រាប់បងប្អូនចឹងដើម្បី trade បងប្អូនគួរតែរងចាំ nan farm ចេញហើយចឹងយើងមើល nan farm ចេញហើយយើង trade ដោយបែបណាអូខេអានេះក្នុង time frame 1ម៉ោងបាទនៅក្នុង zone នេះវាជា zone មួយដ៏ល្អប៉ុន្តែ zone តម្លៃ19នេះ zone នេះវាបានប៉ះម្ដងហើយទីផ្សារបានប៉ះម្ដងហើយចឹង zone នេះគឺជា zone មួយគេហៅថា zone តុន zone តុន yeah weak zone ចឹងបើសិនជា nan farm បុក zone នេះវានឹង break មក zone នេះបាទ zone នេះគឺជា zone រឹងមួយបាទតែវាមាន trend line មួយជា trend line របស់ time frame 4ម៉ោងដែរបាទចឹងយើងរងចាំមើលទីផ្សារបើសិនជាវាចុះមកដល់ zone នេះវាបុក break zone នេះយើងនឹងរងចាំ buy នៅ zone នេះនៅពេលដែល zone តម្លៃ19.09យើងរងចាំ buy នៅតំបន់ zone ហ្នឹងអានេះសម្រាប់ទីផ្សារ nan farm បើសិនជាវាចុះយើងរកចំណុចមួយចំណុចចប់របស់ទីផ្សារដើម្បី buy បាទចឹងយើងក្រឡេកមើលបើសិនជា nan farm បុកទៅលើ nan farm បុកទៅលើ gold up យើង buy នៅចំណុចណាយើងនៅ buy នៅចំណុចនេះចំណុច open price យើង buy ចំណុច open price យើងនឹងឲ្យ TP gold នៅត្រង់តម្លៃនេះ19.48 TP buy target here buy in 3 we buy entry here if nan farm goods gold up fly we click buy on this zone yeah and take profit around here 1977 yeah it's for buy for if the market down we wait to see at these two zone yeah when it touch this zone it break this zone it come down to this zone we will wait for opportunity to buy in 5 minutes or 1 minute time frame we will wait to see yeah and we look for the sentimental about the feeling of the market in the small time frame after go reach the zone these two zone yeah because we cannot buy now or we cannot sell now we have to wait after the nan farm release yeah so only 1 minute more we wait to see yeah
Okay.
Based on the well now it's on well 4 yes it can be down more and the final target is to be up they will be up but we don't know they go down to be we call it a TI transit D zone or D zone and we fly up it means can be zone up or can come down to this zone and to be up yeah so we have to wait and see
Okay.
okay
So yeah, Yeah, so as mentioned that we'll wait for the price to drop to the two zones below
Yes.
until the non-farm payroll reports are out. So if it drops, then you will uh, you will buy to enter a trade to buy.
Yes. Okay. We can
Okay.
set the buy stop here also. Buy
Mm-hmm.
stop at the price 1977, and we put take profit around here. $10 off the goal. Okay.
Mm.
But for this pending buy, we should set it what? We should set it once the before the non-farm 1 minute or half a minute. Yes, it's better.
Mm. Okay.
Let's keep it around here. It's around $500.
Mm-hmm.
But what I expected in this zone or this zone, yeah, it will come down and up. Come down this zone and up. Yeah.
Okay.
For the
Mm-hmm.
opportunity, we wait for if the gold come down, we buy is a good opportunity more than buy. If buy it's we got it a short term profit. But if the gold come down in zone and this zone and it has the reversal candlestick, we can get long profits better than it go up. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Mm. So you also need to wait for a reversal candlestick, right?
Yeah, we have to wait.
Mm-hmm.
For me, I wait for the triad pattern that the last time we had a three candlestick that I told brother. Yeah.
Yeah.
I went for that
Okay.
3 minutes more.
Yeah. Let's see how's the report like. Mm.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Hi, Johnny. Nice to see you again here tonight. Mm-hmm. Okay, for those watching, if you have any questions, do let us know so we can answer them. Yeah. Mm. Mm. So, Singhood, what's your just to ask you, what's your view on the maybe a mid-term to long-term trend for gold? Do you see gold going up in the long run
I think
or
for
down?
the in this situation about the Russia
Mm-hmm.
and Ukraine war, it seems to be measurable. If we look on the techniques call, if we see daily candlestick, we see
Mm-hmm.
one spinning top and one green candlestick. Yeah.
Mm. Mm-hmm.
But if we see the action and reaction for this four candlestick, it cannot win this candlestick. The
Mm-hmm.
bearish, the bearish is on the pressure. It under pressure also the bearish. It belongs. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
We will discuss later. It's now for the non-farm. Okay. I
Yeah.
will continue for this part. Okay.
Yes. Okay. We have 1 more minute to non-farm. I think.
Okay. I see.
Okay. Hi, Reef. Thanks for joining us tonight.
Wow, brother Elko also watching.
Yeah. He's watching us every week. Very
Okay.
a very loyal viewer of our show. So we
Okay.
hope to have Rivko one day on our live too.
I see.
Yep. Okay. So we have a comment here today. Today we are going to make big profits with NFP. So care to share us what's your
Okay, the
position on
non-farm is
NFP?
really, but it's not so good or bad. Amount
Mm-hmm.
is 431K.
Let me take a look. Okay, actual 431k forecast,
Yeah, let's see.
490. So we are less than expected.
Let's see it effect on market. It is small effect.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can see it's not much reaction to the market yet. Okay, we can see that I think gold is going down now, 1925.
Okay. Go closer under this price 1924.75. I also sell, and the target also here
Mm.
1915. We wait the 5 minute candlestick close under here or
Mm-hmm.
close over here. Yeah, close over here we buy, close under here we sell. Yeah,
All right.
wait. Yeah.
Okay. So maybe let me ask the viewers who are watching tonight. Maybe you can share with us what's your opinion on the gold price. What do you think gold will be like uh, after the results? Would it go down or go up? Mm. So do share with us your views on the comment here. Mm-hmm. Mm.
I think go we wait for 8 o'clock to bigger move for the bigger move.
Yeah, probably because the US market is not yet open. We got 1 more hour to
Yeah, 1 more hour.
until the US market opens. So probably now there's not much activity yet. Mm. Okay.
Just 30 minutes before non-farm it close with the settle
Yeah.
long. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. So one of our comment here saying,
Go try the effort. After that, we drop back. We do the SSN. Go
yeah,
below 1920. Oh.
thanks for your comment. Yeah, go trying to go. And then Rivco saying go below 1920. Okay,
Yes.
let's see.
Yes, brother, go for my opinion for this zone around 1990. The goal already come to touch this zone already, and if they come again, I see it will break to 1909. It become to touch this zone again. But for this 1 hour time frame, it have one spinning top and it touches the important trend line. Yeah, one trend line. And this trend line, if we draw more trend line, it has okay. We see it in small time frame.
You can see gold is going back up again.
Yeah, let's see. Look small time frame is easy to see. Then we already draw the trend line. This one is the what line is important for the goal. It is close at this line.
So if it breaks above that line, it will be a bullish.
And close, and also it has to be the again with the optical also. It has the optical around here.
Mm.
So when it go really go up to fly, they have to make the sideway around here. They will make the one more shoulder around here. They make one sideway around here if they want to be up. Yeah, if no sideway, it cannot be up.
Mm-hmm.
The sideway around here and we will fly. So this one we should not put because the Dan farm is not strong effect. We wait to see and buy menu is better.
Okay.
I think now it's a little bit sideways. We wait to see it go up or down. I think at 8 o'clock I can get one trade. I think.
Okay. 8 o'clock. Yeah, we can see gold is not moving very much any direction yet. It's just trading
Yes,
sideways.
actually today gold already complete the one five ball of the last night. Yeah, they already complete here. Yes, that's why that stand up on the trend line, but we cannot also cannot buy now. So we have
Mm-hmm.
to if we want to buy, we have to wait. Buy at here, yeah, close above the price you can buy, close under this price you can sell. Yes, we have to wait 8 o'clock, 20 minutes more. Okay.
Yeah.
We have to keep ourselves to be safe. Yeah. And as I said before, when we trade, we have to know how much we dare to lose, how much we can lose. We have to limit what we can lose before what we can win.
Yeah. I think that's
What
a
we
very important.
yeah.
Yeah. Good. Yeah, that's a very important discipline for trading. We must know how to manage our trade, know when to take losses, and know when to take profit. I think trading is all about discipline. We cannot get too greedy or too fearful when we trade.
Okay. I share one knowledge, one lesson to the people that join us. Okay. Merlion នេះវាតកតងទៅនឹងគេហៅថារយៈចម្ងាយហើយនឹងហៅថា impact ធម្មតាអ្វីដែលបងប្អូនធ្លាប់រៀន support resistance បងប្អូនរៀនតែ support លើ support ក្រោមតែបងប្អូនអត់ដឹងថា trend line មួយនេះ trend line វាក៏ជា support resistance also trend line ចឹងបងប្អូនមើលទៅលើ trend line this trend line you see this trend line when the candlestick go to touch go down but you have to look for the impact of the candlestick you see it down and go up it means that we can see the how many green candlestick is a little but the red is more it touch again you see the green only around $11 but the red is bigger and you see the green is smaller the red is bigger and the green smaller and it dropped down deeply see it means that the impact of the cell the reaction of the cell is stronger it's smaller smaller down yes and put it down we see also we have the support and we know how can we know it's the end of the swing down we use the Fibonacci to draw on the Dow we call Dow tree from the top to the first Dow and we see the Fibo 261 or around 300 is the end of the swing yes we for this strategy we can do in any time frame we have to know that the trend also the support or resistance and for this zone we call it a ISC zone this zone is the small candlestick institute candlestick it means that it has a small candlestick it's in the sideways it has the pin bar or spinning top and the candlestick start to be up so this zone is the strong zone yeah you see when the market come down and toward this zone it can go up yeah so for this zone we call it support resistance also for what I learned the support resistance it has a kind of support resistance yeah
Mm-hmm.
So we have to see because I think the market is still in the sideways, so we can talk more.
Yeah.
We can sell more, and I will sell one more point. We call it support that already died but still alive. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I saw one more point. We call it we call it important line. What is the important line? The important line is the point, is the price that the market come down and touch the bottom, come up and touch, come down and touch. In touch many times, you see this same touch, come down, touch, come up, touch, come up, touch, come up, touch. This zone. This is a very strong zone. Yeah, strong line, strong price point. Yeah, we call it the main point. Main point. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
It is also one kind of the support resistance also. We call it main point. So I already saw three of support and resistance. The first is a trend line that we look for the impact. The second is the we call it ISC zone here, institute candlestick. The third one we call it a main point. Okay, main point. Okay, this one. I already saw three, so I show you one more. We call it support die but still alive. Okay,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
I will show
Okay.
you. You need to see it. Simple here. I think it's a little bit hard to find. Okay. Okay, I think I should show this time. So, we call it messy buy.
Mm-hmm.
In messy buy, it for the application for the messy buy is the destroys the trend line or destroy the support.
Okay.
So about this zone, you see this green candlestick and this red candlestick.
Mm-hmm.
The candle will come lower than this green, you see? Okay, and then go up. And you see when it go down, it touch this zone one time, and touch the second time, it go deeply go. Because for this zone, it's already we call it open the way for down. Yeah. So even though the market go up anyway, they will drop down back and go down lower than this zone. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And this zone it also have happened in the middle zone. Yeah. Around. Yeah. Even though they go up, and we also can know how they go up, and we can catch the top and sell by using Fibonacci also.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. It goes back here. Yeah. You can catch up the Fibo around 300. See, around 300. So when the market go up to around 200, 260 or 300, we know that it is up and the swing. So we wait for opportunity for the sell. Yeah, because we based on this form of candlestick, we know that it will go up. So we wait for the and for the sell. Yeah, because we know that it is will be down back down. Yeah, so it needs time to be wait. We have to be patient. Okay, let's see.
I think it almost touched the uptrend line and then went down again.
In like that, we don't consider it's trend. If we close above it, we will consider it. So I think around 8 o'clock, maybe 10 minutes more,
Mm-hmm.
we will have bigger volume.
Mm. We have another comment from one of our viewer. Fly now. Yeah. So
I see it's not yet. It wait for the right time to move.
mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
We wait to see at 8 o'clock, 10 minutes more. If the
Okay.
10 minutes more, the market not move. Okay, I will take the time talk about the daily chart
Mm-hmm.
that I talk not yet. Yeah, we see the pressure reaction, the pressure from here to here,
Mm.
and we see this candlestick, this red candlestick, it's 1 day, but now
Mm.
it's like 4 day already. It cannot break 1 day. It means that 4 day again with 1 day. Yeah. So
Mm.
it spend much time. More than this, it spend much time, and we wait to see more. If we spend much time like that, if you one have one candlestick, red candlestick that win this zone, it will continue down. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
because it has pressure from here, it has pressure from here. Yeah,
Mm. Okay.
you see, you see the form spinning top, green candlestick, red,
Mm.
spinning top, green candlestick. Yeah, it will be down.
Mm-hmm.
It's similar because to be up, it needs very strong candlestick. It's not like that. This
Yeah.
one it cannot. It need to be full like this. Full like this,
Mm.
it can make one green. For this
Mm.
cannot make one green candlestick.
Mm-hmm. Mm. Yeah, I think for the past few days, we can see that gold price has been consolidating within that range.
Okay, but
Yeah, so it's been trading sideways.
I think maybe look in 4 hour time frame.
Mm-hmm.
This form is simply head and shoulder. This one head, this one shoulder.
Mm-hmm.
It's not to be complete. If for look for bigger photo,
Yeah,
bigger picture. Okay, this one head, shoulder, and this one the midline.
yeah, it's a very big hit. Mm.
I think if no fundamental new, I think if no more Rossis and Oikerans, the war is normal. It's not in the series situation. I think gold continue down.
Mm.
Also, the U.S. they also increase. the interest rate, so the gold will be down if we based
Mhm.
on the fundamental of the US. Yeah.
Mhm. Mhm.
Wait to see 6 minutes more.
Yep.
We find the down target, downside target.
Mhm.
Wait to see 5 minutes more.
Yeah.
Can we all in?
Carry all in.
Cannot now.
What do you say? What do you think, Senghu?
I
Are you
think
able to all in?
for today we should not correct the bigger lot because today is
Mhm.
also Friday. Yeah, also
Mm.
the Friday. Yeah. And if we see on the non-farm, the non-farm is small effects on the market also. Yeah.
Mm. Mm.
What we have to wait to see on the uncertainty on the US Open. Yeah.
Yeah. There'll be 30 minutes more before the US stock market is open. Yeah, I think all in is a bit too risky, and especially like you said, Senghu, today is Friday, and it's very risky to hold your positions over the weekend. Mm.
Yeah, for some trader, they use the small account for the all-in. Example, they create a $500 account and trade with
Mhm.
loss. When they win, they can win 300 or 400%. But if they lose, they lose all. So they calculate that if we win uh, one time, lose one time, also win. They think that.
Mhm. Mm. Yeah,
But for that, it seems to be is not suitable.
yeah. I think this kind of it's a bit a high risk of trading. Mm.
Yes. Yes, the brother can take note about it. It's 1924.56. If the 5 minute time frame closer under this price, we
Mm.
can set in the target here 1911. Yeah.
Mhm. Mhm. 1911.
To be confirmed, is it must be candlestick in 5 minute time frame close
Mm.
uh, below this price.
Okay.
We can all in, not all in, just
maybe just a bit.
Now 8 o'clock now.
Yes, 8 o'clock Cambodia time.
Yes.
Mm.
I think the Cambodia people is not like that because we see the people join our line is only 15.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
I think next time we just analyze the market and done.
Yeah, I think you can keep it short sometimes. Probably about 15 minutes to just update our viewers on what has happened. Sometimes it's interesting to see some live tradings. Like thank you for sharing with us today. Your live trade. Mm-hmm. Yeah, but probably maybe market is not that. Uh, it's very quiet now. There's tonight you can see that.
I think 2 more minutes to close
Yeah.
under here.
Mm-hmm. Hold on. Okay.
Okay, good. We wait. Maybe wait it close. 2 more minutes. We wait it close below this line. Yeah. We enter.
Okay. Mm.
Mhm.
Okay. Break down now.
Yeah, it break, but it has to be closer below this line. One
Okay.
one and 13 only.
I think it hit the line, but it has to close at at 5 minutes. It has to close at below the line.
Yes, we wait 1 more minute. Let us see it.
Mm-hmm.
I think not close under.
Yeah.
If it's not closer under, we have to wait 5 minutes more.
Mhm. Yeah, I think you have to wait for each candlestick to see if it closed
Yeah.
below the line. Mm. I think trading is also testing. It's also test your patience.
Yes.
Yeah. So we have to wait for the correct price before we enter.
Some people say break down now. It break, but it is the fake break. We call it fake break. If it close under this line, it's okay. Read down.
Yeah, probably you have to wait for the next candlestick to close below. So you're looking at the 5 minutes candlestick, right?
Yeah, 5 minutes and 1 minute. I also look for the power of candlestick of the 1 minute.
Okay.
If close above this price, 19
Mm-hmm.
66 point
Mm-hmm.
61 36.61 for the buy target. It also faster than
Yeah.
before because it would drop more down. Yeah, the target is faster. Come around here.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
1958. So the main point is just these 2 points. In 5 minute time frame, close above and close below. Yes, it is easy. I think in red for 8:30. We
8:30.
also have to wait until 8:30 or we end the line. But actually, the important line is just these two lines and the target.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think it takes time to reach the important lines. Yeah.
Yes,
Uh,
these two.
we we may not know so when it will hit.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
We have to wait.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
បងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាមានសំណួរអាចសួរខ្ញុំបានចង់ខ្ញុំបកស្រាយចំណុចណាអីចង់ខ្ញុំចែករំលែកបទពិសោធន៍ទៅលើអីប្រាប់ខ្ញុំចែករំលែកឲ្យបាទបងប្អូន comment មកខ្ញុំចែករំលែកឲ្យបងប្អូនចង់ចេះចំណុចណាឬក៏ចង់ចែករំលែកយុទ្ធសាស្ត្រអីខ្លះចង់ឲ្យជួយពន្យល់អីខ្លះ សួរខ្ញុំពន្យល់ឲ្យបាទព្រោះវាគឺជាឱកាសមួយដែលយើងអាចសួរបាន Yeah, and you cannot speak maybe close under.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
You see,
It returned close.
this one is also trend. We just test trend line.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Mm.
Maybe the people is wonder why I trade before the US session open. No one asked me.
Mm-hmm. Maybe it's a good question. Yeah, although maybe no no one in the no one has asked you this. Maybe you can explain why is it good to trade before the US session? Mm-hmm.
Yes, before US session 13 minutes, if the destination of the US session open, yeah,
Mm-hmm.
it can show what going to be in the executive. You will to see and it close. You
Mm-hmm.
will share and executive. You will see the target. You will be right. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay. It applies for any other investment as well, is it? Or gold, forex, or stocks? Does it
For
apply
me, I
for?
just take note about the gold characteristic for the currency. I don't know about this strategy it work or not. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. I see. Okay. Mm.
I think the gold is more interesting than the currency. The currency for me is hard to analyze actually.
Yeah,
it
I think. Mhm.
it work
Yeah.
very slow.
Uh, I think recently gold has been quite volatile for the past few 2 to 3 years. Gold has been it's been moving very fast. Yeah, recently, I think previously it wasn't that. Uh, I think it's because of the recent global economic situation now. There's a lot of uncertainties in the market since the Trump administration, and now with COVID, and also with the Ukraine crisis. I think gold has been very volatile these few years. Mm, yeah. And sometimes gold may be easy to analyze. It's because gold is regarded as a safe haven as a safe
Yes,
haven asset. Yeah,
yes.
currencies.
Actually, we have to have knowledge about it. We
Yes.
have to learn about the technical
Mm,
analysis, and also we have to know the fundamental and sentimental. The sentimental is
mm,
also important
mm.
for the
Right.
trading goal. Yeah,
Yeah, I think trading is all about emotions. The market has a lot of emotions.
yeah, we have to look for this kind of thing.
Mm-hmm.
It should be red. It's red and above and below this line you can say matter. This one is not red.
Mm-hmm.
And
Yep.
mm, it's not good enough. Even though it close above the trend line, but it's not good enough. See,
Mm-hmm.
like this kind of thing, this two, the pin bar, it's not good enough. We have to wait for 1 minute time frame. It's a bearish. In 1 minute, we can sell
Mm. Okay. Oh.
because it's in 5 minute time frame. It already close below the line, so we wait for 1 minute time frame.
Mm. Okay.
It close below this is good. It could be we see like this, but for the goal, it's not easy for them to close below this line, even
Mm.
though the 1 minute is like that because these two cannot stick.
Mm.
It makes them hard to close below.
Yeah. So I think if the next candle close below, it's
Yes,
more
if we
less.
don't have knowledge about the PPS, about the pip per stick, we will
Mm.
sell here. Or we will be sell one break with the shadow like this. We will
Mm.
sell or we sell here if we don't lose 1 minute. Because if break below like this, we sell, it still have the risk. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
If we close it close under this line or the end of this candlestick in 1 minute, it's red, it's good.
Mm-hmm.
We have to wait to be everything to be confirmed.
Mm-hmm.
When everything to be confirmed, when we enter the market, we don't have regret, and we enter the market with the confidence. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Certain 12 minutes more, the US will be open.
Yep.
And we have to look also in 30 minutes candlestick because 11 minutes more this candlestick will be closed at 30
Mm-hmm.
minutes plan, and we compare with this also. We will see where's the market go. Actually, if we look in the 30-minute time frame, to be up,
Mm.
the goal is how to win this three candlestick. It's very strong. Okay.
Okay.
So action about this three candlestick. It must be big green and close above
Mm-hmm.
this three
Mm-hmm.
candlestick can fly. It's not easy actually because they spend 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candlestick already. I mean it's 5 vs 3 candlestick again with 3. So you have to see.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Yeah.
It will be also way to sell when it goes below this line.
Mm.
Mm. You see this trend line is very small. If we compare from here to here, it's only $2, but it's not easy to break.
For gold, I think yeah, one pip. That's about $2. About 200 pips. That's quite a lot. It's not easy. Although it's $2, but it's still very far from the line.
I think for in the 30-minute time frame, if
Mm-hmm.
this candlestick it close with the long tail and it close one more with the green candlestick, brother, you can buy. And TP or to buy around 1936. Yeah, around here. If this long tail and green candlestick plus green candlestick can buy and TP here. Yeah, it's safe to
Mm.
buy.
Mm. I see. Okay.
It's safe to buy. You can all in.
All
Yeah,
in.
it do. You can all in it too because you see this channel line
Mm-hmm.
is a important trend line also. It's a trend line. If you
Mm-hmm.
1 hour time frame, it touch me time for this trend line. This trend
Mm-hmm.
line is become important. Hot.
Mm.
And it come down. It's near the important zone.
Mm-hmm.
And you see, this
Okay.
candlestick, we call it any pair. This candlestick compared to this candlestick.
Yeah. Yeah.
When it goes with the green, can buy.
Mm.
It $8. This one close in 8:30, and one more candlestick. It will close at 9 o'clock with the closing green. It's good.
Mm-hmm. Okay, I think we got about 6 more minutes before the US market opens.
Yes, I see.
Mm-hmm. And we can see if there's any movements in the gold price.
If we see the browser in daily chart 884 and in 30 minutes, we see candlestick and this candlestick, we can know that the technique call is go down. For
Mm.
the technique call, it's not for the fundamental, it's for the technique call it goes down. And if
Mm-hmm.
we look for the long-term trend for the call, we also can measure how deep we go. Also, see my alarm.
Your alarm?
Yeah, I learned me the time for enter the market.
5 more minutes before the market opens.
Yes, brother. It's around so
Mm-hmm.
1950, 1910 for this structure. Well, you tired?
No, not so tired. Mm.
You just
You?
sleepy.
Not really. Tonight is today is Friday.
Yeah, tomorrow we can sleep well.
Yeah, tomorrow I have a long weekend.
Long weekend. When you come to Cambodia, how many days you stay? Or you come to stay here forever?
Probably a few months when I come back Cambodia. Mm-hmm.
Oh, 2 months. Yeah, 2 months is good.
Yeah, yeah.
I think when you are here, the company will be stronger. Stronger.
Yeah, I think it's already quite strong already. Thanks to you.
I think it's not strong, right? It's simple. It's normal for me. It's strong is not.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Ever
I
since
think
the
if we
past.
are strong, we can have the client at least 1 million or 2 million. 2 million is the minimum. It
Mm-hmm.
be we are
Mm.
equal and compete in the market.
Yep. So I
What
think.
what I concern now, the rich people that have a lot of money, yeah, they're willing to invest to the trader or to the fund manager that have ability, because now after they invest in real estate, they buy because now it is a good opportunity to buy the property in the low price. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
it's a good
Mm-hmm.
opportunity. After they buy, they have more money, they invest because now the forex is uh, the people know forex more than before, and in the mindset of the people now, it's they arrest the thinking that the forex is the game, because now the many teacher, many trainer train about the forex, and the people start to be educated. So it's good for Cambodia now. That's why more
Mm-hmm.
and more broker open in Cambodia, and also some broker also close in Cambodia. Yes.
Mm. Yeah,
Yeah,
I think. Mm. Yeah.
because some of them they not know how to do the broker business in Cambodia. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Yeah.
That's why now I read the book a lot about the marketing, about the abroad company, how they do marketing, like the Coca-Cola, Mercedes, and the other company. Yeah, we look
Mm-hmm.
for the main point, the good point, how they do, how the strategy in marketing.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Mm. Mm. Right.
to get the new idea, because now we cannot use old idea before.
Mm.
Like before, my idea before cannot use now. Also, if you want to make the company to be higher, better, we
Mm.
have to use new strategy, because now if we see the broker in Cambodia now, they use those strategy, it doesn't work.
Yeah.
Yes, I see around 4 or 5 companies that before they are also in the top 5, but now it cannot. Even though they have money, they have big brand company, but it cannot be top 5 anymore.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm.
Even though they have good spread, good quality, good service, good brand name, cannot. Now
Mm-hmm.
because now in Cambodia, it cannot use the uh, oh, my broker have a lot of money. You have to come to me. No,
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
See, it start to be 90. Yeah, it's a good time. You see,
Mm-hmm.
this candlestick is close with the, it's not spinning top or pin bar in 30 minutes. It's so that the market more down, but we wait for the real opportunity to be down. Yeah, about this trend line. Yeah, we have to wait.
Okay. Yeah, it's 9:30 now.
Yeah, it's a Cambodia time. You see, if the 1 minute, what is close to the 1 minute, it's not a good candlestick. It will be like that. So we have to wait for the good candlestick. If we see closer under our line and sell, it's not good. It will be back down because buy this 30 minutes, but we wait for a good opportunity to sell. Yeah, it's not nice.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So we are afraid that they go up higher. Okay.
Yeah, it's going up again. Mm-hmm. Yeah, probably close a while.
Actually, it will back down, but we don't know when we back down. We have to wait.
Mm. Mm. Yeah, market swings up and down most of the time.
After this cannot stick close with the shadow and have one red, we can sell. No need for this line anymore. Because this candlestick is more confirmed for us, and this candlestick is one red and
Mm. Mm-hmm.
sell in the good price. Because this candlestick is held to confirm, and this one also. But if we look in make higher high for this one like that. That's why we did the good candlestick to be confirmed. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
but this stick good. We will make order sell.
Yeah, I think there's two candlesticks that close below the line. Yeah. Mm.
This candlestick is okay. We make sell order. Okay.
Place your trade already.
Okay, okay, I made it already.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay, for the TP, we set around here. I
Mm-hmm.
think 19, 15 is good.
Mm-hmm.
For the SL is a bold open right.
Mm-hmm.
Bold is point
Okay.
also 1934. Yeah.
Okay. How long do you will you hold the trade? Over the weekend until next week?
I
Probably by the
think
end.
it's okay because the money management is good.
Okay.
Like the money management, there's no problem about the swap. It's okay
Mm-hmm.
because we
Okay.
already limit the TP and SR already. How much?
I see.
So we move to over here. We are afraid that the market hand. It's hand before the down.
Uh-huh. Yeah. Could be
Okay.
yeah.
It can be hand.
Mm-hmm.
It will be down.
Mm-hmm. Probably now it's starting to get quite active in the market now because US is open. Mm-hmm. yeah, usually the market, the first 5 minutes or first 10 minutes of the trading session, market tend to react quite volatile.
Yeah.
Let's take a look at the Dow. Okay, looks like the stock market is quite green today.
Oh.
Mm. Yeah, I think it break. Looks like prices are above the line.
Fine.
Mm-hmm.
This cannot be close to red and full of the body can sell or not. But this cannot be.
Mm-hmm. To
But
mm.
but actually it's okay. We should not open more red. We just it's okay.
Yeah.
Actually, if you feel uncomfortable
Mm-hmm.
when it has the red candlestick a little bit big, you can sell. And some people they will close both at the first entry. Yeah, it is the strategy for the out of the market. Some they do that. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. 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 Okay.
Actually, for one more strategy for this
Yeah.
condition of the market, if they hit SL and the 5 minutes they close above this one, they also can make a buy position and take fit for this price. It's
Mm-hmm.
a recovery what they lost. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So yeah,
Yeah. If
probably if
they
the
sell for a half lot, they have to buy one lot. Yeah. For recovery. Yeah.
mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
It's the strategy.
Mm-hmm. So I think it's take advantage of the uptrend. Mhm. Yeah. Okay. Okay. I shall. So if you set your stop loss and your,
Yeah, I already said everything. The
I
TP
see.
and stuff. Yeah.
I see. Okay. Mm. Yeah.
We continue the line or we end the line or we wait for it.
I think we can end here. We don't have to wait until the
Mm-hmm.
uh,
The TP
to
or
see what
SL.
will. Yeah, because you will not know what will happen to the price
Mhm.
uh, in the short while. Yeah,
Uh,
but so far you have all your.
yeah, the people just put one more line. The important line is
Mm,
1936. If the market close above 1936, we will close their position and make buy position. Yeah,
yeah, so long you
but
have all your
for
limitations.
yeah for this trend line, it's not easy to go
Mm,
there for the
yeah.
market because the 30 minutes, even though now they try to close 1 hour
Mm, mm,
in the
right.
spinning top or saddle, but it still have 18 minutes more.
Yes.
It's not
Yes.
easy for them.
I think right now it's not easy because the market is raging now. These few days, there's no general trend in the market right now, so it's not easy to see which direction the market is going. Mm, yeah. So long as if you have placed your limit orders, that should be fine. Because you already have done your risk management and able to uh, um, set your
For
stop loss and.
not mean
Mhm,
that when we enter the market,
mhm,
content is the right content, but
mm,
we have to know that if you lose, how can you recover back? Which price that we can open the other
mm,
position to
mhm,
recover what you lose. It's
mhm.
very important also.
Right. Yeah. So in trading, there's bound to be profits and losses. So we just need to know how to manage, how to minimize the losses
Yes,
and maximize our
for
gains.
lose, if you lose
Yeah.
today,
Mm-hmm.
you can recover it in the next week because
Mm,
we have to calculate it. Uh,
mm-hmm.
1 week we have the 5 trading day. We lose 1 day, we win 4 day. We
Mm-hmm.
also win. Yes.
Correct. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, I agree with you on that. Mm, yeah. So there's no always 100% win in trading. Yeah. Mm.
Okay, brother, we
Mm.
end the line now and
Okay. I
take off.
think
We will see it. Okay.
yeah. Thanks, Senku for sharing with us your live trade. It's
Okay.
very much a learning session, and hope everyone learns about trading.
Okay. Thank you, brother.
Thank you
See
for
you
tonight.
next time.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
see you again next time again.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. Bye bye, brother.
Okay. Bye, Senku. Okay.
Yes. Bye. Yeah.
Okay. Good evening. Mhm. Okay, thanks everyone for joining our live tonight. It has been a very long live session. Uh, I hope you have learned something from the live trade shared by Khru Seng Hood. We shall end it here. I don't want to keep you all waiting for tonight. It's pretty late. Okay. Um, yeah, if you want to find out more about XAU Merlion, visit our website at www.xau, sorry, www.merlionfx.com, or do follow us on our Facebook page at XAU Merlion. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope to see you all next week again. Okay, good night. Good night, everybody, and take care. Mm.